everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to disable friend requests on Discord. So for that, open the Discord application first and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on your profile on the bottom right, tap that. Now here on the account, you need to scroll down and tap on friend requests, tap that. Here you can see the current setting. Who can send you a friend request? Everyone, friends of friend, server member. So right now, anyone on Discord will be able to send you a friend request. For you to disable friend requests, you need to tap on the toggle, tap that. Tap on all three of that and turn it off. Once you tap and turn it off, you will be disabling friend requests on Discord right away, as no one will be able to send it. Anyone on Discord, even your friends or the server member, will not be able to send a friend request from now on. So this is how you can disable friend requests on Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.